Then, on these third and fourth money columns called adjustments, the adjusting entries are placed. For instance, your first adjusting entry is a debit to office supplies and a credit to supplies expense for 3,500. Look for the account name office supplies from among the accounts written here. Of course, you do not have to really read all the accounts here from cash up to the last expense account, because you know these account names are written in proper order from the current assets to the non-current assets, including the contra asset accounts, down to the last expense account. Since you are looking for the account office supplies, you should look for it among the first accounts listed here, because office supplies is a current asset. Do you see office supplies here? No. In that case, you must write office supplies here below the last account name. Just skip one row after the totals of the first two money columns for a better looking worksheet presentation. And then, since office supplies of 3,500 is debited in your first adjusting entry, write 3,500 here under the debit column of these adjustments columns. As a guide in recording the adjusting entries in the journal later on, it is better to label each figure you write in these money columns for adjustments with letters or numbers. So here, write letter A, because this 3,500 is part of the first adjusting entry. Then, what was the credited account in the first adjusting entry I mentioned a few minutes ago? Supplies expense, also for 3,500. So look for the account name supplies expense here. Do we have it here? Yes, this one. Therefore, we do not have to write supplies expense below this office supplies. All we need to do is write 3,500 here on the credit column. Then again, write letter A to emphasize that this is part of the first adjusting entry. Let us assume further that the second adjusting entry has a debit to depreciation expense and a credit to accumulated depreciation in the amount of 40,000. Again, look for the account name depreciation expense here. Do we have it? No. Therefore, we need to write depreciation expense below office supplies. There it is now. And not to forget the amount, 40,000 here on the debit column of the adjustments columns. Then place letter B here, because this is part of the second adjusting entry. After that, look for the credited account accumulated depreciation. It's here. So, we just have to write the amount of 40,000 along this row under the credit column of the adjustments. You have to do the same procedures for all the other needed adjusting entries.